हेलो दोस्तों, फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल में। इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन दिस चैनल, प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द लाइक बटन। टुडे आई विल शो you
Here are 10 ways to generate passive income. Dividend investing. Invest in companies that pay dividends to their shareholders. You can earn a steady stream of passive income by owning stocks or mutual funds that pay dividends. Peer-to-peer lending. As an investor, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses through peer-to-peer lending platforms. The borrower pays interest, and that's how you earn passive income. Rental properties. Owning rental properties is a traditional form of passive income generation. You can rent out your property monthly, and most of the work can be outsourced to a property manager. High-yield savings accounts. Saving money in high-yield savings accounts can help you earn interest on your savings over time. Create an online course. Creating an online course or a digital product is a great way to earn passive income. Once you have created the product, it can be sold repeatedly without much time or effort. Affiliate marketing. Promoting other people's products and earning a commission is a popular way to earn passive income. Investing in REITs, a real estate investment trust, REIT, is a company that owns and operates income-producing real estate. As an investor, you can buy shares in the REIT and earn passive income through dividends. Create YouTube videos. Once you have created videos and started to get views, you can monetize them with ads or promote affiliate products. Sell stock photos. As a photographer, you can sell your photos on platforms like Shutterstock or Getty Images to earn passive income. Digital products. Creating digital products such as e-books, printables or software is another way to earn passive income. Once the product is created, it can be sold repeatedly without much additional work.